This is our fourth lesson in the punctuation system, and today we are going to talk about semicolon, and that is how a semicolon is written. You have a dot and then you have a comma under it. Okay, so let us see what are the uses of semicolon. The semicolon is particularly associated with formal writing. It is best regarded as the coordinating mark of punctuation, corresponding most nearly in value to the coordinating conjunction and. For example, okay, so let me summarize this thing. Basically, if you're writing a formal piece, for example, you're writing a letter to the council, or you are writing an official letter to somebody like the MP or your Prime Minister, or any business letter, then you use semicolons. If you are sitting at an exam, it is best to use a semicolon. For example, if you are doing a GCSE exam, so try to use these punctuation marks, including semicolon and a variety of others, because this is what the examiners would like you to use. So where you can use and, let me choose a pencil. Okay, so where you can use and, you can use a semicolon. I've got these two examples for you. For example, we went to the zoo yesterday, semicolon. It was fun to see all the exotic animals. Now, you could see that this is one sentence and this is the second sentence. So both these sentences, these two, are almost on the same topic or very close in meanings. So you could write this like this: we went to the zoo yesterday and it was fun to see all the exotic animals. Okay, so either you can use and, or you can use a semicolon. So very simple, it's a very simple punctuation mark. Where you can use a conjunction, you can use a semicolon. But remember that semicolon is not used to separate items in a list. But if you have many complete sentences, like 3 or 4 complete sentences, and in each complete sentence you have a comma or any other punctuation mark, then it is best to separate all of these complete sentences using conjunction, or using a semicolon. So where you can use fanboys, particularly and, you can use a semicolon. So this is the example of that. That's it. It was a short video and I hope you understand that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.